Imagine this: you're on a much-anticipated road trip with your family. The car is packed, spirits are high, and the open road stretches out before you. Everything seems perfect. But then, out of nowhere, the check engine light flickers on. At first, you hope it's a minor issue, something that can wait until after the trip. Moments later, the car starts to shudder. You feel a jolt, and then another. The engine misfires, causing the car to lose power. The smooth ride becomes a rough, jerky experience. This is exactly what can happen when your ignition control module, or ICM, starts to fail. The ICM is crucial for controlling the ignition coil's timing, ensuring that the spark plugs fire at the right moment. This precise timing is essential for efficient engine performance and fuel economy. So, when it goes bad, it can throw a wrench into your plans, literally. Here are the common symptoms you need to watch out for so you can resolve any issue promptly. One of the most noticeable symptoms is engine misfires. If the ICM is failing, it might not send the proper signals to the ignition coil, causing irregular sparking. This can lead to misfires, where the fuel-air mixture in the cylinders isn't ignited correctly, resulting in rough running or shaking of the engine. Another common issue is stalling. A bad ICM can cause your engine to stall, especially when idling or driving at low speeds. This happens because the module fails to maintain consistent ignition timing, causing the engine to cut out unexpectedly. Difficulty starting the engine is another telltale sign. If the ignition control module is faulty, it might not provide the necessary spark to start the engine, leading to extended cranking or multiple attempts to get your car running. Poor acceleration can also indicate a problem with the ICM. If the module isn't functioning properly, it can lead to delayed or weak spark production, resulting in sluggish acceleration and a general lack of power when you press the gas pedal. Overall engine performance issues are common with a failing ICM. You might notice your engine running rough, making unusual noises, or struggling to maintain speed. These problems occur because the ignition timing is off, affecting the engine's ability to run smoothly. Diagnosing a bad ignition control module. Now that we've covered the symptoms, let's move on to diagnosing a bad ignition control module. Here are a few steps you can take. Step 1. Start with a visual inspection. Look for signs of damage, such as cracks, corrosion, or burnt areas on the module. These physical defects can indicate that the ICM is failing. Step 2. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for error codes. Common codes related to ignition control module issues include P1351, P1352, and P1353. These codes can help pinpoint the exact problem and guide your next steps. Step 3. Test the module with a multimeter. You can check the resistance and continuity of the module circuits to determine if it's functioning correctly. Refer to your vehicle's service manual for the specific values and procedures. Step 4. Inspect the ignition coil and spark plugs. Sometimes, what seems like a bad ignition control module might actually be an issue with the ignition coil or spark plugs. Make sure these components are in good condition and functioning properly. Step 5. Check the electrical connections. Ensure that all wires and connectors related to the ignition control module are secure and free from corrosion. Poor connections can cause similar symptoms to a failing module. If you suspect your ICM is failing, don't wait, take action and get it checked. That way, you have a smooth ride next time you drive out with family.